Hey guys, I want to show you how I make these farmhouse beads. I typically do 25 beads with 2 tassels. So let me show you how. Alright, so let's start with supplies you'll need. These are natural wood beads, and this is the 20mm size. You need 25 of those. You'll need 20-pound cord. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's $4.99 and you can use your coupon. You'll need 3-ply jute. This is $2.99 at Hobby Lobby. And then I use a thinner twine to wrap my tassel. And then of course you'll need scissors. Okay, first let's start with the tassel. I take the 3-ply natural jute and I wrap it around my hand 7 times. And then I cut. And then you kind of get it situated here and even. And then you're going to wrap your thinner twine. You could use the thicker twine. I just find it easier to tie with the smaller stuff, and I had it on hand. And then you just take it probably, you know, almost at the top, and then you just wrap it around 5 times. And cut that. And then you'll tie that in a knot. And then you're going to just cut the bottom half, and you have your tassel. Next, you'll want to take your 20-pound cord and cut 28 inches of that. Then you want to take your cord and run it through the top of your tassel. Make sure you have a little bit extra on the end. And tie a knot. And then you want to start stringing your beads. So you want to get a few and make sure that this extra tail fits through these beads too, just to hide it. And then we'll string the rest. Okay, so last step is just to attach the second tassel that you made. So take the rest of your cord and run it through the tassel. And then you want to push it as close to the beads as you can just to make sure that it stays tight. And then you just want to wrap it around and tie a knot. And get it real tight and close to those beads. And then you just want to take the excess and run it through the beads to hide it. I have a little extra here, so you can just cut it. You don't really need to run it all the way up. And just put that last little piece in, and that's it. And you can trim the edges of the the twine here if you want to. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that if you try it, you'll let me know. Y'all have a good day.